Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. We are excited to invite you to a profound Seerah conference, an evening of enlightenment and inspiration. Join us at Aisha Mosque and Islamic Center on Saturday the 30th of September, at 6:50 p.m., as we delve into the remarkable life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The program will be delivered by two distinguished speakers, Ustadh Yeamin Arafath, the Imam of UKIM Neely Mosque, Rochdale, and Hafiz Muhammad Saeed, the Imam of UKIM Aisha Mosque, Walsall. Discover the timeless lessons from the Prophet's life, lessons that guide us in our journey of faith and life. And after the program, join us for a delicious meal, a moment to connect and reflect. Mark your calendars and bring your family and friends. Let's come together to learn the legacy of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. See you there, inshallah.
يا رسول سلام